Example 8. If A is equal to matrix 0, 2, 3, minus 4, Ka is equal to matrix 0, 3a, 2b, 24, then the values of K, A, B are respectively. So this problem is based on the concept of equality of matrices. So first we discuss when two matrices are equal. Say for example A and B, taking two matrices are said to be equal if they satisfy two conditions. One is both A and B have same order, and second one is corresponding elements are equal. A and B both must be having same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Then we can say two matrices are equal and we can write A is equal to B. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. It is of 2 by 2 matrix. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. First matrix order 2 by 2, second matrix order 2 by 2, both are equal. First condition is satisfied. Corresponding elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Corresponding elements are also equal. Then clearly here A is equal to B. Both the matrices are same. One more example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 2. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 2 by 2. First matrix order 2 by 2, second matrix order 2 by 2, both are having same orders. First condition is satisfied. Corresponding elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. But here second row second column element 4, here second row second column element 5, both are not equal. That means all the corresponding elements are not equal. So second condition is failed. So that is the reason these two matrices are not equal. So finally two matrices are equal only when they have same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Now we go to the problem. So this is the problem given. We need to find K, A, B values. Okay, Ka here continuation K into matrix A is given 0, 2, 3, minus 4 is equal to 0, 3a, 2b, 24. So multiply by k, k into 0, 0, k into 2, 2k, k into 3, 3k, k into minus 4, minus 4k is equal to 0, 3a, 2b, 24. So here LHS we have one matrix, RHS we have another matrix, in between equality sign is there. That means two matrices are equal. When two matrices are equal, my second condition, corresponding elements are equal. First element already 0, 0, same. Now I am going to equate first row second column element. 2k is equal to 3a. 2k is equal to 3a. Next, second row first column element 3k is equal to 2b. 3k is equal to 2b. Second row second column element minus 4k is equal to 24. Now we have three conditions here. From third condition, k is equal to 24 by minus 4. Then we get k is equal to minus 6. Now we are going to substitute k value in first and second conditions. So here from this 3a is equal to 2k. 3a is equal to 2 into k value is minus 6. 3 ones, 3 twos cancelled. A is equal to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Next, from here, second condition, 2b is equal to 3k. 2b is equal to 3 into k value minus 6. 2 ones, 2 threes cancel. B is equal to 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So these are the values of A, B, C. A is equal to minus 4, B is equal to minus 9, K is equal to minus 6.